Hello everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. Today in this quick tutorial, you will learn how to add thanks and regards in Outlook signature. So open your Outlook. Currently, I'm using Microsoft Outlook 365 as a disclosure. So click on the new email. Now, first of all, I want to show you how to insert thanks and regards with your signature or how you can add thanks or regards with your signature in Outlook. So click on the insert tab. In the include section, there is an option signature. When you click on it, I have already two existing signature I have created, and you can also use this option signature to create a new one. So first I will show you how you can add thanks and regards in your existing signature. So for instance, I choose this personal. So you will see my name, my channel name, I'm a blogger also, my city and my country. I want to add thanks and regards in this signature. So what I have to do, simply click on the signature, go to the signature. That will show me my existing signature, which I can very easily add it. So I select personal and this is my signature. I have already showed you it here. So I just enter and type thanks and regards before my name. You can select your specific location to add the thanks and regards, not an issue. And simply hit OK. You can also use the save button and hit OK. Now I will show you when I insert the same existing signature, what happens. When I hit personal, see, thanks and regards is added in my signature. This is how you can add thanks and regards in your existing signature. But if you want to create a new signature, you simply have to hit on the signature option, click new, type the name of your signature. I use thanks, hit OK. Now this is my new signature added. Currently it's blank. I have to create a new one. So I hit thanks and regards only. I don't want to add my name or anything else here. I simply add thanks and regards, hit OK. Now my existing signature is added here. So from the next time, if I want to send the email using this thanks and regards only, you can use this and simply hit and send your email. If you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.